This cable stitch is an 8-row repeat worked on 16 stitches. For my sample, I used worsted weight yarn and US size 6 needles, and I also added 3 stitches at the beginning and end of the row to be worked in garter stitch, and I also added 4 stitches on each side of the cable for a reverse stockinette background. Those stitches are not part of the cable stitch itself. Depending on how you're using the cable, you will have more or fewer or different stitches around your cable. For the first couple of rows, I will be mentioning working my extra stitches that I added, and then I'll be skipping over them, so we can just concentrate on the 16 stitches that are required for the cable itself. You will also need a cable needle for this stitch. I used the medium-sized cable needle from this set in the video. Okay, so I'm just knitting my edge stitches, my garter stitch border first, and then my reverse stockinette background stitches. Now here are my cable stitches. So for row 1 of the cable, you just knit all stitches. And now my reverse stockinette background stitches. And then my garter stitch border. My garter stitch border. And my reverse stockinette border. Now for the cable stitches for row 2, just purl all stitches. And then my reverse stockinette and my garter stitch border. For row 3 of the cable, you're going to slip 4 stitches to a cable needle. And then you're going to put those stitches in the back of the work. Now you're going to knit 4 stitches from the left needle. And now we need to knit the stitches from the cable needle. So you can knit them directly from the cable needle or slide them back to the left needle, which is what I generally prefer to do. And then knit those 4 stitches. And then next, we're going to slip 4 stitches to the cable needle again. And this time we're going to let those stitches come to the front of the work while we knit 4 stitches from the left needle. And now we need to work the stitches from the cable needle. I'm just going to slip those back to my left needle. And then knit those 4 stitches. For row 4, the cable stitches are all purled. For row 5, you're going to knit all stitches. Row 6, purl all stitches for your cable. Row 7, knit all of your cable stitches. And finally, row 8, you're going to purl all of your cable stitches. And you just repeat those 8 rows for your cable.